Welcome to my course on Three.js and Typescript. Three.js is a JavaScript library that allows developers to create exciting and very visual interactive 3D content on the internet. And TypeScript introduces static type checking, which means you can explicitly define the types of variables, function parameters, and return values. This catches potential errors during development, making your code more robust and reliable. TypeScript also integrates well with modern IDEs and offers intelligent code hinting and autocompletion. Now, Three.js has become a hugely valuable resource on the internet and provides millions of possibilities. However, many new learners struggle in their early stages while trying to decipher the huge amounts of resources on the internet. So this is where this course will help you. It will guide you first with the essential basics of using Three.js and its related add-ons library, and as the course progresses, each new concept will build on the previous and become increasingly more sophisticated so that you understand the problem that each new concept was designed to solve. So at the end, you would have covered many of the requirements to understand how to build your own Three.js projects and also understand the official examples better. This is so you can confidently continue on your own to build much more complex applications in the future. All the code demonstrated in the videos is provided in the accompanying documentation that you can access for free online so that you can easily copy and paste and participate alongside the videos. So if you know that you like coding, you like seeing it work for yourself, and you like to experiment and have millions of ideas that you want to explore, then this course is for you. There is much to learn, but in the end you would have developed the techniques required to build your own Three.js projects and participate more effectively in the 3D developer community. Thanks for taking part of my course, and I hope to see you there.